Hello grade 6s. We are moving on to exercise 70A today, and we are going to be dividing. Not with a calculator today. You're going to be using your own heads. Right, let's look at this sum that I've written down. 420 divided by 6 equals 70. Now, I'm not asking you how you work this out. I want to tell you what these different numbers are called. 420 is the dividend. That is called the dividend. It is the number that we start with. 6 is the divisor. The divisor is the number that we divide into the dividend. 70, which is the answer, is the quotient. Now, you've definitely heard me speak about quotients before, because remember, addition, answer to addition problems, sum, answer to subtraction problems, difference, answer to multiplication problems, product. And now we've learnt the last one, answer to a division problem, is a quotient. So, the dividend is the number that you are dividing into, the big number. The divisor is the number that you are using to divide into the dividend, and then your answer is the quotient. These are names that you will need to remember. So my suggestion is that you learn those. Exercise 70A. Let's have a look. Number 1 says, use your calculator to check whether the following number sentences are true by using multiplication. Now, we know that the opposite of division is multiplication. So if we look at number 1A, we have got 486 divided by 18, and they tell us that the answer is 27. How do we know that 27 is correct? We go backwards. We do the opposite, and the opposite of divide is times. So on your calculator, you will do 27 times by 18, and hopefully you will get this answer. If you do, then this is correct. If you don't, then this is incorrect. Number 2 is using the terminology that we've just learnt about: dividends, divisors, and quotients. Question A says, if the dividend is 24, remember the dividend is the big number at the beginning, and the quotient is 3. The quotient is the answer to a division problem. What is the divisor? The divisor is the number that you divide into the dividend. So for question number 2A, you will need to find out this. How will you do that? 24 divided by 3 is 8. And 24 divided by 8 is 3. How do we know this? In years gone by, you've been asked to make up 4 sums about a number using times and divide. So you would say 24 equals 8 times 3, 24 equals 3 times 8, 24 divided by 3 is 8, and 24 divided by 8 is 3. All you're doing is manipulating the 3 numbers to work for you. And that is what you are doing in this sum here. You are manipulating these two numbers in order to find the divisor. So for exercise 70A, you're going to need to put your thinking hats on. The problems are not difficult, they're just tricky. But if you know exactly what a dividend, a divisor, and a quotient is, you shouldn't have a problem.